Okay, this video is on case 4 of our solving right triangles videos. Case 4, we know the angle, one of the acute angles and the opposite angles. Of course, we always know that the C is a right angle because we're doing right triangles. I don't always note this, but of course that angle that we know is an acute angle. So when we enter that in, we need to enter in for angle B whatever acute angle we have. In other words, it has to be bigger than 0 and less than 90 in degrees. B can be any length that we want then. So let's work one of these. Here's where B is 4 centimeters and B is 70 degrees. So lowercase b is the side, the red length here of 4 centimeters. 70 degrees is the opposite angle. So here, notice that the angle and the side we have are opposite each other, and of course this is the other angle is the right angle, so this is a case of the angle side situation. Anytime you're given one of the acute angles, quite easy to find the other side. We'd simply do angle B as angle B is the one that's given. This is a typo, let's fix that. Angle A is angle 90 degrees minus B, so this is angle A, is 20 degrees. Okay, the tangent of angle B is opposite over adjacent, so that's B over A. Well, we know the B, and we know the B, we know the side B, and we know the angle B. We don't know the side A, so we need to solve this expression for A. Multiply both sides by A, and then divide both sides by tangent of B. So a little algebra there gets an equation that we can use to find A. A is side B, 4 centimeters, divided by the tangent of angle B, 70 degrees. Once again, I'm going to make sure my mode is in degree mode. Now I don't have to type the degree symbol. So that's 4 centimeters divided by the tangent, 70 degrees. And this will give me side A. Let me just store that as A in case I need that later. 1.45588 centimeters. Similarly, the sine of angle B is opposite over hypotenuse. That would be B over C, and we're looking for C. So multiply both sides by C. We get B equals C sine of B. And then divide both sides by sine of B. We get C equals B over sine of angle B. So 4 centimeters divided by sine of 70 degrees. So that's 4 divided by sine of 70 degrees. And that gives us, that side should be about 4.2567 centimeters. And finally, we find our area is 1/2 A times B. So we do A, which we've stored as A, I think, right? Let's look at it and make sure. Yeah, that's A. So we want to take that times B, which was 11, no, 4. B was 4, and then divide by 2, and so we get 2.91176, and that would be square centimeters. Okay, let's try one for you. Let's say we need an acute angle for angle B. How about 80 degrees, and a side length, let's try 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters for B, side B, 80 degrees for angle B, and of course the right angle for C. Solve that triangle and then come back and check your work. Press pause now. Okay, I believe I said 3 centimeters here and 80 degrees here, so let's check that one. So again, to find the other angle, angle A, it's 90 degrees minus 80 degrees, so that leaves 10 degrees for angle A. To get the sides, we're going to use, we're looking for angle, we have angle B, we're looking for side A, we have the opposite side, we're looking for the adjacent, opposite adjacent, that should tell you tangent. Tangent of angle B is B over A. But we're looking for A, so we need to solve for A. Multiply both sides by A, and then divide by tangent of B. A equals B divided by tangent of B, so that's 3 over tangent of 80. And I'm going to store that as A. So this should be side A, 0.52898. Similarly, the sine of angle B is opposite over hypotenuse. That's B over C. Solve for C, multiply both sides by C, and divide by sine of B. We get C equals B over sine of B. So that's 3 centimeters divided by sine of 80 degrees. 3 divided by sine of 80 degrees is 3.04. That's C, excuse me. And so the area is 1/2 A times B, so 0.5 times A, which I've stored as A, and times B, which was 3, I believe. Yes, 3. And so that should give us an area of 0.79347 square centimeters. Come back for some more next video, next case.